Yo, what's up guys? It's Fat Mushroom Cheese here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a spinner. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need this, and you're gonna need a keyboard. So you just, with this, you're gonna wanna put this, need some better lighting. You're gonna want to put this in your keyboard and just extract this. Yeah, just like that. Then I'll take this out just like this. And now you have this. Now you put it in here. And then you spin. Now you have your own spinner.